Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Undergrad Academy. So in the previous lesson, we started file handling in Python and we studied about .txt and .csv files. So today we will discuss JSON files in Python. So what is a JSON file in Python? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation and it is used to store data in the form of list or a dictionary. In .txt files, we store data in the form of strings, and in .csv, we store data in the form of comma-separated values, that is, an Excel file. But what if I want to store data in the form of a list or a dictionary? Then we will use JSON files. So let's go to a PyCharm and discuss JSON files. So here I have opened my PyCharm. So let's write a code to store a list in our txt files. So first of all, let's declare a variable alphabets and make it equal to a list A, B, C. Again, with open. Name of the file, you can give any name. I'm giving hello.txt, comma W, used for writing the files as F, and f.write alphabets. So let's run this. So here I've got the error, write argument must be a string, not list. So in order to store this list, we need JSON files. So first of all, let's import the JSON, import JSON, and remove this .txt to JSON, and this f to JSON, and this write to dump. Dump is used for writing the data. So we'll pass this alphabets, whatever we want to store, and f, our file name. So let's run this. So I've got no errors and our file, that is hello.json, is created. Here you go. So now let's see how to retrieve data from our JSON files. So first of all, we will remove this W as we did in our .txt and .csv files. And again, we will declare a variable called data, or anything you can declare, any variable you can take, JSON.load, and in this load, I'll pass my F. And in the end, let's print the data. So I've got this A, B, and C, whatever data was present in our list. So now let's see how to store a dictionary in our JSON file. So let's declare a variable, a dictionary person, his first name, let's say David, last name, Elliot, and his address. So now let's store this dictionary into our JSON file. First of all, let's say with open, let's say person.json, comma W for writing, as F. I'm taking this F and you can take anything instead of it. JSON.dump in order to store our file, and we'll pass our person, the data we want to store, and F. So let's run this. So we got no errors, and let's see. Here, this is person.js, our data is stored. So now let's retrieve the data, remove this W, declare a variable data, is equals to JSON.load F, and let's print the data. So let's run this. So here we've got our dictionary which we previously stored in our person.json file. So if I want to find a particular data, let's suppose I want to find that last name of the person. So we'll say person last name. So let's run this. So we have got this Elliot, the last name of the person. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching us. Please take up some time to subscribe to our channel, kindly like the video and share with your friends, and comment your queries in the comment section below. Goodbye. See you soon.